Ever wondered if just having enough in your checking account means you can easily get a cashier's check? Let's find out. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. Is it possible to buy a cashier's check using a checking account? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question. So in summary, someone is trying to buy a cashier's check from their bank using their checking account. They're having trouble because of how the bank manages the remitter name on the check. Their big question is whether the bank can issue the check with the bank's name as the remitter instead. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that a cashier's check can be bought using the available balance from a checking account. The bank handles this like a cash withdrawal, so the funds need to be clear and available beforehand. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that having both the recipient's and issuer's names on a check adds security and reassurance. Including the bank's name ensures the money is secure, while writing "pay to the order of" with both names aids in redepositing. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. A cashier's check is bought using money from a checking account. You just ask your bank to issue it and make sure you have enough cleared funds. The bank's name appears as the issuer, which gives the check added security. It's important to confirm your funds are available, as newly deposited checks might still be on hold and not ready for immediate use. So, in this video, we've discussed how a cashier's check is bought using your checking account balance, with the bank as the remitter. It's crucial to ensure funds are available, as recently deposited checks might be on hold and not instantly usable. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.